Hey friends, hi. So if you're looking at editing videos online, this is an amazing platform called Video Candy. Very easy to use. You don't need to have those complex technical skills or any editing skills to edit your videos. So if you're looking at quickly editing the videos that you have shot, and if you want to sort of trim them, if you want to resize them, to send out as presentation, use this platform. Very easy to use. So it has some amazing features which has different tools. You can compress your video, you can trim your video, you can merge your videos if you have multiple clips, you can crop, you can resize your video, you crop out certain sections of the video. So there are some amazing features around here on this platform and very easy to use. Like I said, a screen recorder if you want to record your screen, whatever that you might want to show on your computer. And it has got this pretty amazing video converter. You can convert your videos into any formats, MP4, MOV, AVI, any format that you might want to be utilized. So there are tons of features around here. All are very extremely easy to use. Rotate your video, you know, spin your video 90 degrees or 360 degrees. You can use it. You can add music. So if you are an amateur video maker and if you want to edit your videos out and make quick presentations in no time, you can use this platform. You can easily use this tool called Slideshow Maker to sort of merge your images all together and make a presentation out of it. So let's use some features quickly and understand how this can really help you. So let's say if I want to resize the video, so let's go to this feature. So over here, let's say if I add file. Okay, so right, so let's see. Yeah, I've got the video here. And if I want to, so there are multiple video ratios available. If you want to make it 16:9, 9:16, there are various features available. You can simply select the ratio that you want and the video will be resized to that. So let's see if I want to make this 9:16 vertical video. So I select that ratio and I click export. So it will export the video in that particular vertical size. Then you can use the vertical size anywhere in terms of where if you want to put it on Instagram or any social media app for that matter. So that's how it is, and it gives you the vertical format. So yeah, we are almost there. Right, so I got this vertical format out of my horizontal video. I can download and use it any ways I want to do it. So let's say I go back to editing. I go back to the main dashboard. Okay, now let's say if I want to crop the video. So this is the tool to crop it. Let's say I go over here. I select the video. Right, so this gives you more customization in cropping the video, where you can define the area that you want from the video. So again, a very amazing tool. You can define whichever area that you want to capture from the video and actually give it the size. So this is an incredible, amazing feature to sort of crop out, or you can even use the preset video ratios. So let's say if I've selected only this area and I say export. So quickly it will give me only that area that I've selected in the video. There we go. So it has given me only that much. I selected only that area, only this bit area in the video. It's given me the output for that. So I go, let's say I go back to the Video Candy main dashboard. So this is okay. So let's say if I want to trim the video, if I really want to edit the video, so I go over here, I add this video. Right, so I've got the video. Okay, now if let's say I want to remove certain segment. Okay, so I take the video over here, I take the slider. Okay. So let's say if I want to remove only the first 13 seconds. So I've selected the first 13 seconds. So it will remove the first 13 seconds and give me the other 55 seconds. And let's say if I say export. So in no time it will give me the export for that 55 seconds. It will get, I've removed those 13 seconds from the video. It's very fast. Video Candy is very fast, and yeah, okay. So I've removed the first 13-14 seconds out of the video. I've got the last 45 seconds. Let's say I go back to editing. So now let's see if I want to extract the segment. Let's say if I want to remove certain part of the video. Let's say if I want to remove this and use only these 6 seconds. If I want to use only these 6 seconds from the video. So I use this feature called extract and I say export. So it's pretty fast. So it's given me only 6 seconds of that video that I want. You can download and use the way I want to use it. Let's say go back to the main interface, the dashboard, and so we have seen how we can crop the video, resize the video, trim the video. Let's say if I want to merge videos. Let's see if I've got multiple clips and I want to merge them together. So let's say I select this one. There we go. So it's given me the timeline. I can select multiple clips. Let's say I select the other one. Now it's uploading the other one. So let's take another one as well. Let's take this one. Right. So it will keep adding the clips onto the timeline and it will merge and give it to me. So let's say I want to merge all these 3 clips together. You can even add a transition. So let's say if I add a transition fade to black, it will give me a transition between all the videos. You can even add the music, whatever music that you want to add. You can select from here any MP3 that you might have. You can add it onto the video. And now let's say export. So now it's exporting all the 3 scenes that we have taken up. So friends, Video Candy is a very easy to use tool, very extremely easy for any amateur who doesn't have those complex editing skills and quickly want to edit their video, resize, compress the videos, you want to make slideshows. So it's a very easy to use tool. And it's free. I mean, you can use the platform for free. Only thing is you will get your videos with the watermark, and if you're okay with the watermark, you can keep using the platform for free, and that would be, and you can get the help to use Video Candy. So otherwise, even if you want to use the paid version, it's not all that expensive. It's hardly about I think about $8 a month to use the platform, which is quite okay, very reasonable if you regularly want to edit your videos and make presentations, and you want to crop your video, compress your video. If you're using regularly, then I believe $8 a month is not that big amount, because you can use a lot of videos to sort of work around. So there we go. It's given me the video. It's ready. It's merged all the 3 clips together. Yeah, so it happened in no time. So all the 3 clips have been merged together. So let's go back to the main dashboard. Yeah. Also, there is some very good features. Or if you want to compress the video, let's say if you want to compress the video, you've got a large video of 500 MB, about a GB. You want to compress that. So let's say if I use this clip. Right, it's compressing. Okay, it's encountered certain error, so it works fine usually. Maybe this time around there was some error in the clip, but you can use this feature. It's a super feature to compress the videos, and it gives you very good compression rate. So yeah, so there are these amazing features which can really help you to do in terms of cropping, editing, resizing your video, and very easy to use. So that's it for now. I believe this video gave you some very good idea about how Video Candy can be used for your projects. Signing out for now, and I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Thanks. Bye.